So, did you text me first or call? I'm just joking. You can come in. So, the first thing that I want to show you guys is actually safety first. So, I want to show you guys my corona-free setup and what I have to do in order to get myself prepared to enter my home. So, before you guys come in, you have to hang up your things and spray down with some Lysol, okay? Okay, so now that you're all clean, you're all Lysoled off, and you're corona free, you can come on in. Okay, so this is my favorite painting. This painting is about 5 feet tall, so around my height. And I got it from HomeGoods. Like, if you know me, you know that HomeGoods is my #1 store. So I added black wallpaper on the island just to give the green and the gold a little bit more pop to it. And I got the chairs from Wayfair. So the kitchen is probably one of my least favorite parts of this house. Yes, it's beautiful, but it is dangerous. Like, these new appliances that I'm just now getting used to is so dangerous. Speaking of appliances, that was the light. They have like LED lights, and I'll hear a little ting ting from now and then. But anyway, let's get to the dangerous stuff as I was talking about. So I'm coming from a gas stove at my last apartment, and learning how to use the stove, which is electric, has been such a nightmare. Like, I've almost burned down the house twice. So before I even got this apartment, I sketched out the living room and I designed it to be exactly what I wanted, down to the black walls and everything. But I will say that I tried to do the minimalist look, but it just wasn't working for me. So I had to go ahead and just do what felt natural. And this is what I came up with. So I ended up recording the rest of the video in the morning because the lighting was so much better. So I got my bed from Wayfair after waiting about a month for it. It was well worth it because it definitely is one of my favorite pieces in the entire house. So one of the major downsides to this layout is the size of the room. I am not used to having such a smaller size bedroom, but I definitely had to use my resources and utilize the space that I had. So I just had to have a lantern in my bedroom. It actually makes a really good nightlight, although I have a lamp. It's just so much better. The apartment actually came with the shelving unit. I just took out a few of the shelves to place them to my liking. I don't know what it is, but it's just something about waking up to this view that gets me every morning. So this is another entryway to the closets, restroom, washroom, and exit as well. So I'm not the most organized person, so this is really major for me to have The washer and dryer is definitely a big plus because that's not normal in a lot of tri-state area apartments. So these are my closets, but we are not going in there. I will save it for a whole another video. So the bathroom definitely sealed the deal for me when choosing this apartment. That mirror was made for makeup and the perfect selfie light. Well, that's it. I got no more to show you. I wish I did. But thank you guys for watching my channel and thank you guys for watching this video. I'm super proud of what I've done so far. I'll keep you guys updated if I make, well, when I make any changes. Please stay safe with this whole coronavirus thing going on right now. And make sure you like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be having a lot more videos for you guys.